Okay guys, we're gonna talk about enzymes, but first we're gonna talk about sleeping. Would you guys rather sleep on a hard brick or on a soft pillow?
Soft pillow.
You'd rather sleep on the soft pillow. What about you?
Let's feel this. Oh, yes.
Soft pillow. Soft pillow. Okay, and what about bread? Would you rather eat bread that's hard as a brick or soft like a pillow?
Soft like a pillow.
Soft like a pillow.
As hard as a brick because I like chewing on things.
What do you think would happen if you tried to chew on bread
Your
that was
teeth would
hard?
fall off.
Your teeth would fall out, and then what would you do?
I would replace them with bionics.
So we wouldn't want to eat bread that's hard as a brick, right?
Yeah.
That's where enzymes come in. Enzymes are nature's little superheroes, okay? They go into bread and they break down something called starch that's in bread. They make the bread really soft and fluffy, just like this pillow. And not only do they make it soft, but enzymes help to keep bread soft for a long time.
Amazing.
If you guys go to the store and you see a new loaf of bread on the shelf and you squeeze it, is it hard or soft?
Like
Soft
a
and fluffy like a pillow, right? Yeah, and why is it soft and fluffy like a pillow?
Because enzymes.
Because of enzymes, because they break the starch down in bread. They break the starch down?
They're like, and they break it down and they make it all soft again.
Yeah, like a... Whoa, be careful.
Arlo, are you okay?